Komishoni ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC nionaneti dalili cia kwa kuhitukia Mike Mbuvi Sonko aleta muhoraniri wa gituro kia governor wa kaunti ya Mombatha kuona ni umwe waria mahitukire mitaratara yothe ya kuhagurwo. Commissioner Abdi Gulie augite mareka uria wothe mangihota gutigirira githurano twerekeire giakorwo kirikia uma na waragania na gutire mundu ina maroro ma ungumania na uthuri muri wa ofisi ya muingi ukaingira wira. Macio ndio wa Mũriũki ni aratariria.
Kwa ibida komishoni ya ithurano na mibaka iteiguitwe kiaria ciegie mawatho maria makabuthika bari kubingiriria aruiriria amwe ma iturwa itiganite kithurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana makiria areme na maroro ma ungumania no buthiri muru wa wabici cia muingi. Pedi ya gikaro na session ya Citizen, Commissioner Abdi Gulie augite aremanagirira mitaratara ya kubaguro na itwa riu ritire atianirio ni igoti matire na mweke wa kurugama giturwa o kiothe. Ndumiriri iria bana ta yorotithireirio uria wari gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko uria uraroretie mito yake kaunti-ini ya Mombatha.
But the law guides us that if you have been found to be culpable by a competent court of law, and by a court, to have been impeached sufficiently for certain irregularities in performance of your duty, then if there are existing appeal mechanisms, then you can still be eligible to vie. But if all those appeal mechanisms have been exhausted and therefore the final verdict is uncontested, then you shouldn't run.
Gulie augite aruti mawira ma thirikari are mambiriirie kuhonia are marende iturwa cia gavana niguo metikire gutirithania nao ta nini yao no me iturwa-ini kabinde-ini gaka maya kwaga kubitukio tondu murugamo wa IEBC ni ati magiriire gutiga wira mieri 6 mbere ya kithurano.
That rule applies to all. It's not selective. And if you intended to be in politics, you should have made your mind long time ago and joined whichever formation you want to join.
Komishoni ya ithurano na mibaka no irenda aruti wira a thirikari matige kuruta miario ingituma andu amwe makorwo na nganja na waragania wa kithurano ikinyitirira ati utungata wayo na mitambo iria yothe ikabuthirwo kithurano-ini ndikabutanie bandu na rubonge o ruothe rwa thirikari.
We have deployed technologies the whole of this week. The kits are already in the field for purposes of verification exercise.
Mieri 3 iria tigarite niguo kithurano kinene gitabanio. Komishoni ya ithurano na mibaka yugite ireka uri wothe ingibota niguo gutigirira kithurano gigakorwo kia uma na waragania. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jetago Masi, wadia wa Mũriũki.